Assalamu alaikum. This morning, while I was going out to buy something, one man met me. I was, Hajia, good morning. I said, good morning, sir. Say, excuse me, Hajia. I said, okay, sir, no problem. Say, I want to become a Muslim. How much will you pay me? At first, I was like, how much will we pay you? Who is paying you? He say yes now. Say if you turn to a Muslim, they will pay you. Didn't they pay you when you become a Muslim? Ah, I was really amazed because I didn't even know what to tell him. I was like, sir, please, so it's a wrong information. We don't pay people to become a Muslim. This is a wrong narration that like wrong narrative people are saying. We pay Muslims, we pay people to become Muslim, and they will build house for you, give you everything you desire, and some of us are still like hustling to make life while they are paying us. So my little talk, I was like, no sir, we don't pay people to become Muslim. He say he's seeing. I say those ones you are seeing are frame. Those ones are not the real ones. They don't pay they don't pay anybody to become Muslim because nobody was paid to become Muslim. Then at the long run I asked him, how much were you paid to become Christian? He said, Christian is his religion. He was born into a Christian family. I said, oh, since you see Christian as your religion, I also see Islam as my religion. Since you see Christianity as your religion, I also see Islam as my religion. And nobody paid me to become a Muslim. I was like, no, they pay now. I said, okay, can you tell me the people that have paid? Maybe give me two people, just list two people for me that they paid to become a Muslim. Say if you go to the north, you see them. The north pay, the Hausa people pay people to become Muslims. If not, they will buy them. I was like, me have never heard such. But this is just a wrong narrative. You should stop. If you want to become a Muslim, you become a Muslim. You make sure you take your kalimatu shahada, testifying that there is no God except Allah. He said, okay, but me, I just want to become a Muslim and I want people to pay me. So how much will you pay me to become a Muslim? I said, we don't pay money. Yes. What if I pay you money? Do you know, if I pay you money today and tomorrow I did not pay you, what will you say? You will leave the religion because I paid you money to become a Muslim. Definitely you are going to leave that religion because I'm not paying you anymore. It's not proper. If you want to become a Muslim, you make your research, know the truth about the religion of Islam. Then you are free to do what you want to do. And you should stop. Please, sir. Next time, don't stop me to tell me this kind of thing because next time I will not. Like, it has not gotten to that. I say it has gotten to that too. Let me say, how much will you pay? Will I pay you to become a Muslim? So, how much did God pay you to become a Christian? He said, no, God did not pay him anything to become a Christian. That's the same thing. God did not pay you anything. Definitely, God did not pay me anything. And nobody paid me anything to become a Muslim.